Yeah, good evening. I want to just show you simple things on trading with support and resistance, uh, trend line, and making use of your candlesticks. Okay, right now, what I want to show you is just the trend line. I want to delete everything on this chart and start with just how to start using them. Okay, now I will first, being that you told me you know how to make use of a trend line, the rules of a trend line is where two shadows meet forms a trend line. Where two shadows meet, or where two long shadows meet, forms a trend line. Okay, right now look at our trend line here. This is a shadow, this is a shadow. So we draw the trend line. Okay, this is our trend line now. There are other trend lines. If you look at this trade now, you will see a lot of trend lines. If you are drawing your trend lines, you'll be making money. So if you can even trade only with trend lines, you can be making money. But the only thing now is that you got to join it with support with the candlesticks. Now, I want to show you something on this. You will see that when these two candles, when these two shadows meet, it is always a reversal candle. Look at it. This is a hammer. This is a hammer. Okay, look at it now. You also see that there are other reversal candles there, but they were not obeyed. Look at this also. Look at this. Look at this. Look at, you see, this one is the one now the market look at, and now look at the free fall. So right now you can see that if you look at this now, you'll be asking a question. The question you ask me, how will you know that this market is about to fall? Or how will you know at that point it gets to that place, what happens there? Now, that will now bring us into us looking at the support and resistance. Now, I like using a line chart to do my support and resistance. Looking at this now, you see that we are having a lot of peak here, a lot of peaks here, a lot of peaks. So what you now do is to draw a horizontal line, Right now, you can say, let's assume that the markets this side have not formed, but at this present time, what we are seeing is the fall of this. Okay, you now draw a horizontal line at this peak. Are you seeing anything there? Did you see the peaks there? That is the support and resistance. That is where you get your support and resistance. But remember, we're not trading the line chart. What we are trading is the candlesticks. So with this now, you can be able to see your support and resistance. And if you look at it, you know that in the market, price always respects support and resistance. Any strong support and resistance, price always respect it. And what you see whenever price touches any strong support resistance, what it does is what? It has a reversal candle. So let us put on our candle and see. You can see that at that red line now, which is our horizontal, which we call our support and resistance. Okay, you will see that the market respected it. Okay, look at it. Look at this. There's a reversal candle. Look at this is a reversal candle. Look at this is a reversal candle. Look at this is a reversal candle. This is only where price breaks through. This is only where price breaks through. And if I were to be trading this, when this price breaks through this and the reversal started going up and didn't go up to close above this, I will place my sell below this and I'll make my profit. So looking at this now, you can see that support and resistance is a very simple thing to use in trading. The only thing is that will you believe in it and follow it? Right now we are looking at this also. Could you see that these things are happening? I call this area now, this is the area I always call conference support, because if you look at it, you know what the full meaning of conference support. Conference means where people join together, where people come together to get an idea, to get to meet and make, to reason together. But with trading, with FX, I can say that conference is a meeting point where the support and resistance meet. That is where we call a conference, where more than one or two support and resistance meet together and respect the trend line. So you see that this has happened now. This is a conference support. So if I were to be trading this and I see this pullback happening, I will only tell you. That is why whenever you see me doing when I post my chart, I always show an arrow and tell you that this is a conference support. And looking at this now, if I were to be placing this trade, I will know that when this price came to this support, and gave a reversal candle, I know that there is no other movement. This is where price will surely come to say, okay, I am tired, I want to go down again. So you will see that looking at this now, you can see that in every support or resistance that happens at a conference support or resistance, you will see whenever the price meets at the conference support and resistance, if the price doesn't break through to close above it without forming a reversal candle, my brother, you got to be waiting to sell. But if it closes above it and did not form a reversal candle, giving a long candle which now closes above it, brother, you now know that the support has been broken. So looking at this now, we can see that this is our trend line and this is our support. So if you look at this now, you see that this is a reversal candle, this is a reversal candle, this is a reversal candle. All are happening along that support and resistance. So if you look at it now, being that you told me that you know how to make use of your candles, look at what kind of candles form and what happened. So that is how you will do your back trade, so that you can be able to learn how to make use of it. With this now, looking at this, I will place myself just at the support and resistance, because here has confirmed that the price is going down. Here has also confirmed that the price is going down. So I will just place myself. So you look at how you combine these and combine support and resistance and make your trade. Brother, if you learn this, you'll be able to know how to trade and make use of them. You're already a good trader. The only thing you don't know, the only thing that you need now is to back trade and learn and tell yourself, how does this thing work? And you draw your lines and follow them. Just like I have drawn these ones, you will see that Forex is very easy. Thank you.